Create an alias. Aliases allow a string to be substituted for a word when it is used as the first word of a simple command. If arguments are supplied, an alias is defined for each name whose value is given. If no value is given, alias will print the current value of the alias. Without arguments or with a P option, alias prints the list of aliases on the standard output in a form that allows them to be reused as input. The value cannot contain any positional parameters. If you need to do that, use a shell function instead. The name cannot be alias or unalias. Let's look at in practice with two examples. Example 1. Create an alias C that will clear the screen. Type at the terminal alias C equals single quote clear single quote. And press enter. Now type the letter C. Example 2. Display the working directory. Type alias dot equals single quote echo $sign capital PWD single quote. And press enter. Now type dot. An alias can be used to remove each name from the list of defined aliases.